Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. Do you have super small hands and struggle to find gloves that fit? I do. So when I found these pink gloves that are super cute but extra durable, I was sold. They're so great. They're super durable. Look, I have nails on right now and you can't even, look at that. Not even tearing at all, look at that. My favorite use for these gloves is when I'm handling raw meat because I love cooking, but I hate handling the raw meat. So this way I don't have to touch it and I can kind of look cute while I'm doing it. But they're actually really great for doing dishes too. As a new mom, I have to do so many dishes and these really save my hands from drying out. And they come off super easy. There are so many uses for these gloves, and I think that they will be your new kitchen best friend, but that's just my point of view.